This science microscopy kit includes a great beginner-level compound microscope equipped with advanced features and all the necessities of accessories. The microscope features 6 magnifications of 120x, 240x, 300x, 480x, 600x, and 1200x, a single coaxial coarse focus knob, a specimen stage with 2 built-in stage clips, and a nature light and/or LED illumination system. It can be illuminated with either nature light through a mirror or by the built-in LED light that provides direct control of light. The microscope has a durable metal construction that makes it a great value. The kit comes with sample slides, cover slips, tweezers, scalpel, specimen vials, adjustable lenses, collecting lamps plus a sturdy hard case for easy storage and travel. This set is good for beginning scientists. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 120x, 240x, 300x, 480x, 600x and 1200x 3 magnification beginner microscope. Number 2. Durable metal construction frame with stage and clips. Number 3. Reflecting mirror for natural illumination. Built-in light for direct illumination. Number 4. Built-in rotating color filter wheel, power indicator on rotating turret. Number 5. ABS case and 2 AA batteries included. Number 6. Durable metal arm with stage and clips. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.